Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Are y'all ready to rock and roll? It is Vlogtober 15th, y'all. Are you ready to get it shaken? Today is a beautiful day, an amazing day. A day full with peace, joy, happiness, love, hugs, smiles, all that great stuff. So y'all, like I promised, we're going to Goodwill today. I'm going to look for me a cardigan because I got 50% off for my birthday month. And I'm going to look for the coffee cup if they have it. And I'm going to go to the bins, look for light bulbs. And we're just going to see. I'm going to take y'all along. So yeah, y'all better get some of this in your life. So good to start your morning with vegetables, fruit. Yes. But anyway, yeah, just wanted to come in and say hi. Got my morning started, got everything done, all my chores in the house done. Look at the hair. Look at the hair. Look at the hair. So guys, I will see you guys on the flip side for OOTD. OOTD. Guys, God is love, okay? God is love, and that's what the world needs, okay? That's your tea time for today. God is love, and that is what the world needs. The world needs love, okay? And it starts with you. You right here, you right there. Yes, it needs love. I came to ask y'all, have y'all watched the previews for Scream, the movie that's coming out in I think it's coming out in January, and I was wondering too, why is it coming out like so late of the year, like the beginning of the year for some people, but it comes out in January. But guys, I was watching the previews of that, and I was like, ain't no way in the world I don't know if I could sit through that movie, y'all. And I ain't gonna lie, I like scary stuff, which some of y'all probably won't believe, but I do like scary stuff. But that right there, I don't know, y'all. That looks like the worst one ever. So let me know in the comments, are y'all going to go check out Scream, the new movie that's coming out in January? Like, it looks crazy. It looks so scary and crazy. I just wanted to ask you guys that. So we're headed to the bins now. I'm trying to keep my eyes on the road because we don't want no problems, okay? We don't want no problems. So I'll see you guys I'm going to go Goodwill first. I'll see you in there. I'm in Goodwill, so they do have music playing, so I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll just show you some few things, but I got to put the music on, okay? This is the first thing that I found. Already have music playing, so I'm only going to be able to show y'all a little bit, so I'll turn the camera around for you. you guys can see me. So I did pick up this beautiful cable knit sweater. Isn't it nice? Got the buttons on the side. Y'all should have known I was gonna pick this one. This is so stinking cute to me. And this is by Crazy Horse. Remember that brand, y'all, back in the day? Crazy Horse? I don't know what size it is, but yeah, I picked that up. Hold on, y'all. I got this sweater, so I'm gonna wash it this evening. And I got some hats that match this. This is so super cute. So I got that. And I did find Singlade. This is a Bluetooth Alexa smart LED light bulb. So I did get this from the bins. That was all I got from the bins. And guys, I stopped at Dollar Tree on my way home because I needed some brown sugar. But I found some more of the Loma. I know y'all said they were like high in sodium, but these were not. The Hawaiian ones is not that much sodium, but the other ones were a lot. But I got 2 of these. And I got some, like I said, I needed some brown sugar. Guys, remember candy corn? Oh my God, as a kid. Y'all know y'all used to like candy corn. Now, I ain't no big candy eater, but gotta love some candy corn. So, yeah. So guys, that's gonna do it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I will see you in the next one. We might go live like Saturday. I don't know, y'all. We will see. Okay? See you in the next one. Bye, y'all.